Hey everyone, it's Joyce from Crossmint. Like many of you guys, my colleagues and I love having energy drinks in the office, but we're often too lazy to top up whenever we run out. So we built an MCP server that would enable us to buy Red Bull on Amazon through Windsurf. This MCP server was built with the Crossmint headless checkout plugin on Go, which enables purchases on Amazon with crypto. Now, before the video started, I topped up my Solana wallet with some USDC and gave the server access through the config file. So now let's just go ahead and chat with my Red Bull assistant. So as you can see here, it's given us three options and also asked me for some important information so that it's able to go ahead and place an order. So I'm just going to give it what it wants. So the agent has called the get address tool so that it's able to see my wallet address and how much balance I have in the wallet, and also the buy token tool to pass in all the important information so that the agent is able to place an order on Amazon. And the order has been placed, and it's also showed me exactly how much I have spent and all the information I've put in, and also told me that, hey, your funds were deducted on the Solana blockchain. So now I'm just going to go ahead and see if I have received a receipt in my inbox. So I did get the receipt in my inbox, and it's showing me exactly what I ordered and how much I paid in total. Now, as usual, everything that I've shown in this video is open source and can be found in the links in the tweet below. So check us out if you'd like to see how Crossmint enables agents to buy anything on Amazon directly with crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!